Morning. Welcome to Insurance Mondays. My name is Paul Edwards, your retirement specialist with New York Life. I specialize in helping you, yes, you, individuals and business owners, to plan and save effectively for that period of time in your life that you call retirement. And I also help individuals to protect themselves and their loved ones with life insurance and also with long-term care. And I want to continue to implore that all of us, the vaccines are rolling out today, but we know it's going to take time before it gets to the majority of the population. So it's very important that you continue to take all the precautions to protect yourselves and your loved ones. Today, I want to speak to you on Insurance Mondays about Asset Flex. It is a tool that we use to provide long-term care insurance. Remember, on Insurance Mondays, we don't just speak about life insurance, but we also speak about disability insurance and long-term care insurance. Now, so I want to speak to you about Asset Flex. It is doing excellently, and I believe that it is going to suit some individuals. So I want you to watch this brief video with me on Asset Flex, then I will speak to it.
A life insurance policy protects your loved ones in case the worst happens. But New York Life Asset Flex combines that protection with long-term care benefits you can use while you're still here. So you get two benefits in one policy. Asset Flex will reimburse you for covered long-term care expenses if a life insurance policy protects your loved ones in case the worst happens. But New York Life Asset Flex combines that protection with long-term care benefits you can use while you're still here. So you get two benefits in one policy. Asset Flex will reimburse you for covered long-term care expenses if you need it. Leave a life insurance benefit to your loved ones if you don't, or do both. Your benefits are instantly worth much more than what you pay in. Plus, the application process is easy and fast, and payment options are flexible. We're so confident you'll see the value of Asset Flex, we'll even return your money if you have a change in priorities down the road. No questions asked. Asset Flex is an effective way to protect both your loved ones and your assets, providing added peace of mind. To learn more about the ways Asset Flex can strengthen your financial strategy, contact a New York Life agent today.
Oh, so this is Asset Flex. So I want to run an illustration which will give you another idea of how Asset Flex works. And so you can determine if this best suits your needs. You know, you have long-term care where you make your monthly contribution, and the Asset Flex is a one-time, or you make a down payment, a lump sum payment, and then after that lump sum payment, you make no more contributions. So let me give you an idea of how Asset Flex works. So I'm opening up my tool here, which will allow us to quickly run an Asset Flex illustration. Wonder why it's not opening. Come on, don't give me no problem this morning. So let us say it's a 55-year-old female, and let us say she has some lump sum. So you have cash in your various accounts that is there, and you said that this money is going to be my just in case money. I have this money that I can give to my kids, or I keep it in case something happens down the road. So let us say you put 50,000 in the Asset Flex, right? Now, here is some of the benefit of this 50,000. It immediately, 55-year-old female, when you do the asset flex, what it does is it gives you life insurance coverage, and then it also gives you long-term care coverage. Then if you need your money back, you can get 100% guaranteed return of premium. So all your money you put inside there, if you need it back, you just tell us and you get it back. But the primary benefit of this policy is that it leverages your funds that you have put away. So it gives you greater benefits. So for example now, this individual who is 55, female, she placed 50,000 with New York Life in an asset flex policy. Initially, it gives her 198,000, call it 200,000 long-term care. And this coverage lasts for 6 years. In other words, it pays out $2,764 per month. So you get 200,000 in long-term care, and you get $2,764 per month payout for long-term care. Excellent. It starts and gives you some life insurance. That means when you place this money with us at New York Life, instead if you have it in a checking account and it's just there giving you the interest you get. So for the first year, as a matter of fact, let me go down some more. I want to show you the printout down here. So here it is. I'll show you this printout here. So for the first year, once you place this money with New York Life, it's 50,000. It gives you 198,996. Call it 200,000 in long-term care. But if something was to happen to you and you were to die in the first year, your beneficiaries get 161,000. You see that? Excellent. And so you notice over time, the life insurance part of it goes down, right? The long-term care remains the same. However, if you need back your money, you have 100% guarantee, you get your $50,000. So it is called Asset Flex because this money gives you flexibility, better usage of that cash you have in a checking account and a CD, right? If you don't need the long-term care, then the cash stays there and you get the death benefit at the time goes to your family. If you need the long-term care, you use it. If you want back your money, something happened, an emergency came up and you need your 50,000, here it is, you get it back. This is an excellent policy that many of our clients are using because they realize that placing this money with us at New York Life gives them more flexibility. That's why we call it Asset Flex. Gives more flexibility to your asset. So this is many of our clients, 50, 55 and over, is using this because it gives them long-term care. It gives them a death benefit if they were to die, and if they need their money back, they get back their money immediately. This is an excellent long-term care strategy that might fit your budget. The important thing is that when you call me and speak with me, then we look at your objectives. We can determine which one best works for you. Many of my clients like this. They have the cash in CDs, they have the cash in their checking account, and they find out when they put it at New York Life, it gives them better value. There are other long-term care strategies we can use, but we will find the one that is best suited to you. Again, my name